Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your Wi-Fi password on your TalkTalk router. To start off with, first you need to head on over to your web browser, and at the very top you need to type into your web address bar 192.168.1.1, and you now need to hit enter. And once you have pressed enter, you should end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to look on the back of your router for your username and password. It will even say router username and router password. You now need to fill in this information here with those details. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and press log in. You now need to click on customize my wireless network. And you should now see down the bottom here, wireless password. And this is our wireless password. As you can see, at the minute, mine is Computer Sluggish. You can change this to whatever you want, and then this will be the password that you will have to use when you try and connect to your wireless network using your mobile phone, your Xbox, your PlayStation. No matter what device, you will always have to use this wireless password in future. I'm just going to change mine to Computer Sluggish 12, and just remember, once you have pressed save, then all the devices that are currently connected to your wireless network will be kicked off and you will have to re-enter in this password. So change the password to whatever you want, and once you're happy with the password, you can now press save. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.